Hello guys again, and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And in front of me I've got this box, no picture, nothing, no specs. What it is? Well, it is a robo vacuum cleaner. It is the PREMBOT P3 Sharper Vision Smarter Robot. Well, let's open to see what we have inside, start the unboxing, and together we're gonna find out all about this robo vacuum cleaner, all the specs, how we can use it, connect it to my network, and find out the best options and settings. Robot Vacuum Cleaner C100 User Quick Guide. Okay, stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Electronic control water tank. Okay, there it is. We've got the power adapter. 19 volt, 0.6 amp, 12 watt power consumption. Cable, it is about 1.2 meters. Great. Remote control. We need two 3A batteries, 1.5 volt. Side brushes. Cleaning brush with a cutter. You can cut the brushes and make them straight. We've got the charging dock. Here we can connect the power adapter. Rubber at the base, prevent any movement when the vacuum is docking and start to charge. Yeah, you can say it's not moving. Two metal contact blades are coming in contact with the robo vacuum and start charging. Here it is the 2-in-1 water and dust tank. 280 ml it is the dust tank, and the water tank it is 240 ml. Get this rubber, remove and fill up with water. Seal it very well. The mop to remove, you can wash it and clean it. Nice. Then we've got a filter. You can pull that, remove, and inside, if you want to clean it, you can remove that. Other HEPA filter. Nice. And close. Now at the vacuum, remove the stickers. We've got the dust collector here. Press that, you can remove. And here we've got all the filters inside. This is rubber, it's sealing very well, prevent any dust go outside. The maximum capacity of the container is 580 ml. Lock again, wheel, and you can insert it here and locks. Or if you want, pull that and insert this 2-in-1 water and dust tank for mopping and dust collection. It is your choice. Here we've got the on-off switch, speaker, let's remove that, collision sensor with a rubber around, nice. And we've got the button for pause and resume. The home button goes to the dock and start charging. And here we've got the sensor. It is the 100 degrees vision scanning sensor from here, scanning all the area, and that's how it can knows where to go. Now let's let's see from this side. We've got the wheels, of course. Here we can install the brass. Left goes to the left. Press the same. The 360 rotation wheel. The metal contact blades come in contact with the docking and they start charging. Here we get the brass. Press these two plastics. Remove this and clean. Nice. And reinstall again. And it locks. And of course we've got these wheels. Give power from the motor and start working. 21mm obstacles surmounting. It can cross very easy anywhere. Carpet, thinner, thickest carpet with no problem. Of course I'm going to try it and we're going to find out together. Okay, now let's turn it on. I have already plugged it to the power of the dock. We can see we've got the white LED. Flashing blue. The battery capacity is 2600 mAh. Maximum runtime it goes from 90 minutes to 120 minutes. And cleaning area it is maximum 120 square meters. The type of the motor it is a brass motor. Charging time it takes about 250 minutes to 300 minutes. That means maximum 6 hours. And the noise it is 60 decibel the maximum. And of course you can control it and from your smartphone. You can connect it to your Wi-Fi network and control everything from your smartphone from the Tuya app or Smart Life app. Now to enable the Wi-Fi and connect it to my smartphone, press for 3 to 5 seconds the charge home button.
Network connected. Please check the results on your app service.
I will connect it to my Smart Life and as you can see, we've got one device, go to add, 2.4 GHz network, it has my password of my router, next. The Wi-Fi signal is flashing at the vacuum.
I found AJC 100 app from the Smart Life skill. To control it, say, turn on AJC 100 app.
Okay, Alexa, thank you.
Absolutely. Happy to help.
Next. And done. You can rename the device. And there we are. It is on standby. And when I'm pressing the charge,
Return for charging.
it will return at the charging dock and start charging.
Start charging.
Now, and after fully charged, we can see 100% charging complete. We can turn it on auto mode.
Automatic cleaning.
You can see at the floor there is some stuffs, dirt, cornflakes, bread, coffee, many things. Now I will change on a stronger suction power.
High suction.
Because we've got many things at the floor, that it will help more to clean faster and better.
Cleaning completed. Return for charging.
Well, dearie, are you sure you have completed your cleaning? I see a lot of things on the floor. Well, let's leave the robo go to the base and then we can start again. Second round because many things is on the floor. Okay.
Start charging.
Well, let's try another one. Auto again.
Automatic cleaning.
Yes, dear, because the first time you didn't do a good job. Try to do your best again.
Indoor environment recognized successfully.
One problem that is facing, I can see, with no reason, it stops and it goes back. There is no obstacle, nothing in front, but it stops and it goes back. It doesn't go all the way, but it just stops, it goes about 20 centimeters, stops and goes back.
Cleaning completed. Return for charging.
Well, better than the first time.
Start charging.
Now, after finishing cleaning, let's check what we've got at the container.
Start charging. Please install the dustbin.
Ooh, and we've got information. Look at there. And dust and everything. Great. Let's clean it and install it back. Clean it. Great.
Start charging.
Now let's check in the app. We can see charging 99%, the cleaning time and the cleaning area square meters. We can check the map, the latest map.
Charging completed.
And we've got message charging completed. We can turn it on. We've got the cleaning mode auto edge. That means it will go to the edges spot. It will try to clean in a one spot. I will show you, of course, all that. And the manual. Schedule. You can add the schedule, choose the time, repeat once, the days of the week. You can choose a note. You can choose to have notification. Cleaning switch on or off. And save. More, and here you can choose the suction power from quiet, normal or strong. You can seek the robot.
I'm here.
Okay, thank you. Brush left time, filter life is 96%, remaining life 144 hours. You can reset, side brush life in 94%, remaining life is 142 hours. Reset in here. Rotating brush life is 98%, remaining life is 294 hours, and you can reset all that if you are going to replace them. You can mute the voice from the vacuum. Record. You can see all the records by day and time, the cleaning area and the cleaning time. And by just tapping, you can see and the map. You can delete. Set water, you can choose from low, middle or high. Well, it is what it is. That is all the options. Now let's move on for cleaning, dust and mopping together. But before that, we need to remove the dust container and we need to install the 2-in-1 container that is for water and dust. But first, we need to install the cleaning cloth in this position. And then of course we need to fill up with water. Remove that. Let's bring water. The capacity for the dust container is 280 ml and for the water tank is 240 ml. Secure that. And at the front we've got the filter with a dust container. And let's reinstall it. Well guys, here we are, a lot of stains, hard stains at the floor from ketchup, mustard, coffee with a sugar and orange juice. Definitely that is a hard test. And let's start the vacuum on auto mode.
Automatic cleaning. Cleaning device mounted. Indoor environment recognized successfully.
Now I will set the water on a high.
High water volume. Cleaning completed. Return for charging.
Okay, and after 10 to 11 minutes was complete the cleaning, but I think it needs a second pass. Of course the stain was too hard. Definitely never in your life you got so many stains at your floor.
Start charging.
Okay, dearie. Except if you've got a party. Well, in that case, yes, why not? Okay, now let's start again.
Automatic cleaning. Indoor environment recognized successfully.
And on a real time we can see the mapping. Clean area 11 square meter. Cleaning time is 10 minutes. 86% is the battery. And at all time we can check the map. Now let's stop it and try the edge mode.
Edge cleaning.
And as we can see, it goes around the corners, around the edge. Off.
Cleaning finished.
Now let's try the manual mode. Some spots are dirty and you need to clean it with the manual mode. Okay. Spot mode now.
Spot cleaning.
Around here. And off.
Finished.
Okay, return to...
Return for charging.
Well, definitely that was a hard stains on the floor, and I think it has managed to clean 90% of the stains. Definitely it can handle and it can clean them.
Start charging.
Now let's take a look at the container, the dust collector, how much water it has inside, and the cleaning cloth. Nice. After dust collecting and mopping the floor, we've got this inside. Some things that I left on the floor. And of course, definitely this clean cloth has seen a better days. We need to clean that. You can clean it to your washing machine with detergent, or you can clean it on a bucket with detergent. It will be okay, no problem. The cleaning process is very easy and it can clean very well. Now I will install only the dust collector. Total is 580 ml, the capacity, and I will clean a thick carpet. Now let's see how it goes at the carpet. And again, we've got some stuffs on the carpet.
Automatic cleaning. Indoor environment recognized successfully.
Now let's talk about my personal experience about this PREMBOT P3 vacuum robot cleaner. Suction power, it is very good. You can adjust from the low, middle and high. Definitely it has a great suction power. Nothing it will miss from this vacuum. I'm testing this vacuum about 10 days now, and I have tested all around my home, not only in this position for the test that I made. And every time when I'm removing the dust container, it is filled up with dust. I don't know where it can find so many dust at my home. I just look it and it is so clean. Well, that means it's doing a great job and sucking all the dust from the carpets. About the mopping, I think it's doing a great job. The test was performed in 7 square meters. It is so small the space for that kind of stains. The mustard, ketchup, coffee with sugar, juice. But I think he's made the job about 85% cleaning. That means in more regular stains, not so hard stains, definitely it will do the job and clean these stains at your floor. The water container, it was enough. I have performed the test twice, was working about 22 minutes total, and it was in the middle, in the end of the test, the water tank. And cleaning the mop fiber, it is very easy, just put it to your washing machine and it is like new. Now the battery, it can last about 85 minutes on a medium suction power. I think it is enough for clean my home and is returning at the base when the battery is 20%. I like that it has two side brushes, left and right. I think it will clean better and faster. Now let's talk about things that I don't like. On the app we don't have so many options and settings. Let's say I need to transfer my robo vacuum to my bedroom or other place to my home and start mapping the area. I cannot store this mapping, let's say mapping for my bedroom or mapping for my second floor. It will reset again and it will try to remapping all the area. That is thumbs down for me. I hope on a future upgrade they will give this choice to storage the mapping area. A problem that I'm facing when it's cleaning, sometimes it stuck in the same position and is trying to clean again and again, back and forward, right and left, in an area not more than a half a square meter. It is already cleaned, but is trying to clean it again and again for 1 minute. He understands very well when he's on a carpet, he's trying to clean the same position twice. Yes, I understand, because the carpet is thicker and needs more work to clean. That is the thumbs up for me. I think the most crucial problem, it is the algorithm. They need to update the algorithm and understand better where to go. And of course, we need to storage our mapping area and choose next time I need to clean this area, and not every time when I start to clean somewhere is remapping the area. It is a new vacuum at the market. Well, if you need to find more information about this Robo Vacuum Cleaner PREMBOT, you can check down below to the description. There is a link and you will find more information and where you can buy it. Overall, I can say it is a good construction. It doesn't feel a cheap construction. The plastics, the accessories, all that, the brushes included and the wheels, the rotation brush, all that are feeling very premium. And it is very easy to clean all the accessories. You can remove it and wash it. You can clean it with a dry or wet cloth around. Well guys, that was all about this video. I hope I have made you understand what is the possibilities about this Robo Vacuum Cleaner. And again, if you need to find more information, you can check down below in the description. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and that was all. It matters more to me. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.